Welcome to Dream Academia. Today we will discuss about the top 5 government engineering colleges under WBJ 2021. In the 5th position, we have Jalpaiguri Government Engineering College. It is one of the oldest and prestigious engineering institutes of the state. The streams offered in this college are Computer Science Engineering, Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering and Civil Engineering. The cutoffs are as follow. For general category, it's up to GMR 8000. For SC category, it's up to GMR 18,000. For ST people, it's up to 46,000 GMR. And for OBC people, it's up to 9,500 GMR. The placements for JGEC are the average CTC is around 5 LPA and the maximum CTC is around 36 LPA. In the 4th place, we have University of Kalyani, which is situated at Kalyani, West Bengal. It is the 4th best engineering institute of the state, and the streams offered here are as follows: Information Technology and Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. The cutoffs are as follows. For general category, it's up to 7,000 GMR. For SC category, it's up to 20,000 GMR. For ST category, it's up to 44,000 GMR. And for OBC category, it's up to 9,000 GMR. The placements here are as follows. The average CTC is around 5 LPA, whereas the maximum CTC is around 17 LPA. Taking the 3rd spot is Calcutta University. It's the oldest university in the country and one of the best engineering institutes of the country. The streams offered here are Computer Science Engineering, Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Instrumentation Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Chemical Technology, Optics and Optoelectronics Engineering, Polymer Science Engineering, and Jute and Fiber Technology. The cutoffs are as follows. For general category, it's up to 20,000 GMR. For SC category, it's up to 35,000 GMR. For ST category, it's up to 43,000 GMR. And for OBC category, it's up to 24,000 GMR. The placements in Calcutta University are as follows. The average package is around 5.5 LPA, whereas the maximum package is around 18 LPA. Taking the 2nd spot is Kalyani Government Engineering College. It is one of the finest state government engineering institutes of West Bengal, and it is under Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, which was formerly known as West Bengal University of Technology. The streams offered here are Computer Science Engineering, Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical Engineering and Mechanical Engineering. The cutoffs for KGEC are as follows. For general category, it's up to 4,500 GMR. For SC category, it's up to 13,000 GMR. For ST category, it's up to 40,000 GMR. And for OBC category, it's up to 7,000 GMR. The placements in KGEC are quite fantabulous. The average package here is 5.5 LPA, whereas the maximum package is as high as 42 LPA. So finally we come to the number 1 spot, which is occupied by Jadavpur University. It is the best engineering college in the state and is one of the finest engineering institutes of the country. It has the best ROI in the country and can be compared with the top-notch IITs and NITs. The streams offered in JU are Computer Science Engineering, Information Technology, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Instrumentation and Electronics Engineering, Civil Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Construction Engineering, Metallurgical Engineering, Power Engineering, Production Engineering, Food Science and Biochemical Engineering, Printing Engineering, Pharmaceutical Technology and Architecture. The cutoffs for Jadavpur University are as follows. For general category, it's up to 3,500 GMR. For SC category, it's up to 12,000 GMR. For ST category, it's up to 38,000 GMR, and for OBC category, it's up to 6,000 GMR. The placements in Jadavpur universities are just awesome. The average package in Jadavpur University is around 9 LPA and the maximum package is around 65 LPA, which is a very huge amount.